Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. So today we're partnering up with Alipearl hair. I really love their packaging. It came with 2 pamphlets, a headband, and an edge brush. The pamphlets just give you instruction on how to maintain the hair and what products they recommend. So I literally found the right measurement to get just the right amount. You need half of this cup size filled with BW2 and 2 cap size of developer. So I like to set the timer to 5 minutes so I can check on the lace every 5 minutes within a 15-minute span. I got this method from Caroline A here on YouTube. She basically uses Arrogant Tay's method, where you need like a white piece of paper or a white rag underneath the wig to help you pluck better. So I did record my plucking process, but for some reason, some way, somehow, my memory card that I use for one specific camera has been acting up. All the clips I film on that specific camera, on that memory card, it's missing. But definitely in my next video, I would definitely have an in-depth tutorial on how I pluck my unit. And also, honestly, I believe this wig came pre-plucked. I didn't really do much plucking. This is a lot of hair. I'm not sure if you guys can see this properly. So now I'm going in with water. I think it's Mayeli. I think it's pronounced Mayeli. It is their leave-in conditioner, and I just mix that with water. So there's this like topic going around TikTok that's saying like, you know, lace do not look good in person. Da 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 da. Lace is lace. Like no matter what material you use, I feel like it's never gonna look like scalp. Like we like to say scalp melted, but typically it's never gonna look like our scalp. It also depends on how you're laying your lace. You also need like a good tint. Like I use the Ruby Cream foundation. Obviously I let you guys know that in like recent videos. It does the job. I'm not running the top because I am going to go in with my hot comb and just flatten the top up more. So that's why you see that I'm mainly focusing like from the mid, a little bit of the top mid to the bottom. This is the hair wet slash damped. So I am going to go in with the Shea Moisture Curling Holding Gel. Keeps that wet look. without your hair actually being wet. So I actually love that. So I enjoyed laying the lace because Alipearl lace is very thin, which made it very easy to blend. I really like that. This is Alipearl's 555 closure wig. This is their deep curly texture, and I got this in a 24-inch, and the curls are holding up really nice. This is definitely giving Cancun, out on a vacay, but unfortunately I'm still in New York City. So I really do love this hair. This hair is so manageable to work with. The closure, as you can see, is laid. So this is the finished product. This is how the hair came out. It's really defined. Obviously I don't have any tangling, any shedding, and the luster is there. It's not too much going on. Like, I literally do not have anything bad to say about this hair. So I just want to say thank you to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.